How to grow on Instagram in 2025. Yes, you are listening right. Today we're gonna talk about that how to grow on Instagram in 2025. Yes, you are listening right. Like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Now let's talk about that how we can increase. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more updates. I'm Gogi from How to Doer. Let's begin the video, and I gonna let you know 5 top things if you do you're gonna increase your subscribers and followers. Let's begin the video. For that we have just asked and talking about this. These are the main top things you should do in 2025 if you are doing Instagram. Shorts form video domain. देखिए, you can check out reels is very important thing to do, and 7 to 15 seconds the maximum rotation, and the first 3 seconds should be engaging, and use trending sounds. This is a very important thing for reels. And if you want to know how to do good SEO optimization, then it is very important to you. Keywords is the king. Alt text you should be added into your videos. Consistent posting and engagement. Post 4 to 5 reels daily, 2 to 3 posts, and 3-4 stories, so that people keep engaging on your Instagram account. Keep on doing DMs for quick boosting. Polls, quizzes, and question stickers you can do in stories to get more engagement. Number 4, collab with users. Yes, you can collab with the other people, so that influencer can get each other, know each other, and after that they get visibility on the platform. Number 5, leverage Instagram broadcast channel. Yes, start a broadcast channel to share these on other social media handles, and keep promoting your channel to post stories and bio. So that's the way you can easily increase your social media called Instagram. And I gonna give you a few bonus tips. That don't forget to use hashtags, don't forget to use trending hashtags, don't forget to use trending music, and try to focus on crisp and short content, because people now time retention is very low, and people are not wasting a lot of time. They just need and complete it. So that's the way how you can increase your social media of Instagram. Like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day.